Hmm. Welcome back again, guys, and thank you so much for always being there for my videos and subscribing to my channel and even liking my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Canva. Canva is a tool where you can create so many things. So let's go to the Canva. So if you want to go to Canva, you just come to your browser here and you search Canva. 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 We're going to see so many options. So this is the logo of Canva. After seeing this logo, you can just click the first one, any of them. I've been using it. That's the reason why you're seeing it in my PC frequently. So we just wait it to load. So I want to show you how you can use Canva and create logos and so many other things without learning or going through so many things. You don't need much experience to use Canva. You can use it. So this is how the websites look like. So this is Canva. So all you are seeing down here, these ones are my logos, the things that I've been creating. The website, the things that I've been creating for my website and for my student. These are the things I've been creating. Those are that simple logos I've been creating from Canva. So this is how Canva is looking like. So when you come to this first tab here, you can create by clicking here to create a new logo or any other thing. Here is home, project. This is the place where your project will be located. This one is template. This one is where you can get so many templates and edit them according to the way you want. This one is a brand. If you come there, you will know about it. So there are so many things here. So when you are the first time, it's your first time to come to Canva, you will be required to log in. So that's the reason why you are seeing this thing here. This one is my name, Ogari Job. So that's the reason why you are seeing OG. So you can call me OG the way if you want again. So this is how the Canva is looking like. So here you can type anything you want to create. If you don't want to go to the template, you just come to the search button here and write anything you want to create. Then Canva will bring it to you. So you see, when I tap there, it's bringing me so many options with so many templates. So many templates. You can hear there are others for free and someone you must subscribe or you must buy them according to the way the owner of the template put it there. So here you can search anything there. You can search anything there. If you don't want to come to the create button directly, you can just come there and search anything you want to create, be it a logo, be it a magazine, a poster, business number, business card, wedding card. So many things you can create in Canva, and most of them are for free. So let's just come here and create something. So we wait for it to come. So when you want to create, it's still going to bring for you these options here. You want to create what? A sheet, a document, a whiteboard, a presentation, social media, photo editor, video, website, custom. These are the tools you can use in creating anything depending on what you are going to create. So there's social media here, photo editor, presentation. Like if you don't want to use Adobe Photoshop, like not Adobe Photoshop, but if you don't want to use PowerPoint, you can come here and get your presentation using Canva. So let's say we want to create a logo. We come here and we create a logo. So this is how the dashboard is looking like. It's still downloading. Everything is going to appear here. All the tools you need to create a logo, everything. Just wait for it to download as we go through it. These are very simple tools that you can use by just picking a template and you edit according to the way you want. You upload your photos, you upload everything for free. You don't need to do anything. So those one things, please. You can close that one, cancel that one, then you close this one. So this is how this thing is looking like. So here you're seeing we wanted to create a logo. So when you come to Canva is going to give you so many different types of logos, templates that you can edit and create your own logo the way you want. So there are so many logos here. Templates are so many here, millions of templates. Anyone you want. So you can't tell me using all these templates you can't find the type of logo you want. So you just come here after going through all of them. So let's say for example we want to use this one. Let's say for example we want to use this one here. So this is the template of the logo we have from Canva. So here, using this thing, we can do so many things here. Like we first of all start with the background. You first of all ask yourself, is this background good for you? If it is not good, you can change the color of the background by coming to this thing here. You just click there. You just click here, and so many colors you will come, like this one. You can change it the way you want, using different colors and posters. No, using different colors according to your interest. So let's just use, let's say for example, let's use this one. Yeah, so you see we've changed the color of the template to the color of our interest. So that one is the color of the logo. You can change so many things here. Let's say this one, the logo is for AV, so but you are not AV. So what you are going to do, you can change this AV to your name. Let's say, let's use my name here. My name is OG. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap this A here. This thing is going to give you direction. Then after typing A, you delete that A, then you type what you want. What we want is O. I've replaced that A with O. So then you come back to V here. You click that V, you make sure it has been highlighted. Then you dial the delete button. Then you are seeing that it's giving you a direction to type something. You type it, the letter you want to put there. Let's replace this with J. So we are done with that one. Then we can send so many things like here. So this one, the letter was a very every Davis. That's the reason why you are seeing it was every. So this every Davis, because you've changed this one, you're going to change this name, this every Davis, to your name by highlighting it. Then you delete, then you type your name. My name is Ogare Job. Ogare. Then this one also we change to Job. Because as you can see, it has been changed very easily. So you can do so many things here. If you like, you can delete this photo here. You can click just delete, or if you do, you can replace it back by just doing this, dialing the undo button. You can delete anything you want here. If you like, you can delete even that frame out there, but you can still bring it back by doing this one. Or you can change the color of that thing by, let's put it a black one. You can put as many colors as you want, the way you want it to be, the way you want it to look. You just ask your girlfriend to give you the colors you like, then you just put it and create for her a logo according to her design, or by following her color. You can change, so even this one you can change the color to white. You come here, you change the color to white. So many things you can delete here by just taking someone's template and putting it according to our interest. That one is fast. We can do so many things here with Canva. If you don't want this one, you can even add another page by clicking here, and another page will come to you using the same background, but you can change the background still and edit so many things the way you want. There are so many things here in Canva. You can download, you can move to trust, so many things. You can upload a file, you can create a new design, you can do so many things you can do here. Let's say we want to upload a photo. You just come here and bring a photo. These ones are the photos I've been using for my designs. So let's say we want to upload a new file. You just come there and you pick a file from your computer. Let's say we want to pick this one. You see, when you pick it, it's going to appear here at the top. You are seeing it here being uploaded. So you just pick it, it's going to appear there. In this photo you can do so many things. My account has not been subscribed, or my account has not been paid, so that's the reason why I cannot access so many things. But if you are someone who want to venture more Canva and you want to use Canva in creating your design, you can come here and you pay. If you can change the background, you can do so many things. There are so many things you can do here for free. You can even change the background of this photo, but you can only change the background of the photo if you have paid something in your account, or if you have uploaded your bank account or your card number into the Canva. So that's how you can use Canva and create so many things according to your design. Thank you so much, guys.